Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can overview update history on Windows 11. So here's the thing, you can track your updates on this feature. In order to do that, you can click on Windows start icon and go to the settings. Here you can access Windows Update and try to search the update history. Click it, and here we go. There are some groups that you can overview. For example, quality updates. Here, this is the history of my updates, my Windows updates. And if you need a detail what is this, you can click on learn more, and here we go. November 12, 2024 cumulative update, net framework, and so on. Like, this is a summary, security improvements, quality and reliability improvements, and so on. And also there is a driver updates. This is for my monitor. I use Lenovo. And also a graphic card definition update. This is the important thing. This is why I keep update my Windows, because I use Microsoft Defender as my antivirus. So if you use Microsoft Defender, you need to keep update your Windows 11. And this is the other updates. Like, I use MRT. Same with Microsoft Defender. If you use malicious software removal tool, you need to keep update. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the